Good morning, beautiful people. It is, what is it, Wednesday? I am having one of those mornings. I went to sleep early last night too. I've been staying up late the last few days, tests and extra work that I need to do at work. So yesterday I had the opportunity, I took it, and I went to bed at 9:45, which is super early for me. And then I wake up super late this morning. And the reason is Alexa. My Alexa, I have her wake me up with music every morning. It's usually my normal rock or country or pop or some kind of like upbeat. So this morning I hear symphony music in my sleep. And I'm like, wait, this is nice, but there's something wrong. And I wake up to find it's 45 minutes after. The symphony music started 45 minutes ago. And I've been just sleeping through it because it was peaceful and nice and not going to wake me up. I love my symphony music. Oh my goodness, I was rushing around. And of course, you have to skip a few steps. So I did not do me. I took care of my kids. I got them ready. I made sure they had lunches, although I threatened not to because they were not embracing the fast speed of the morning. I was like, double time. Oh, but we're just waking up. We gotta stretch. No time for that. So I'm actually gonna show what I do in the morning. That way I'm all caught up by the time I get to work. I brush my hair to start. No, actually, first thing you do when you get in the car is turn on some music and drink some coffee. And hopefully you had time to get coffee, or you're going to just be mourning the coffee the entire ride there. Like, I would just be constantly reaching for my coffee cup and then being extra sad every single time I realized that I left it behind. Because you need that extra little boost, that extra little speed and sweetness, warmth in your throat. You just need it. And so first thing you do is brush your hair, because at least then people from afar don't realize you're a hot mess. Now when I dropped my kids off from school, they knew. She had a rough morning. Oh, look at her. It was rough for her this morning. Oh yeah, they know. Whatever. Let them biddies talk. Oh my goodness. So that really does not take long, because I'm not going to put any product in it to calm the frizz or anything, because it's an overcast day too. And I think all the rain happened yesterday, so I think I should be good. The humidity down here in Florida, if you guys don't know, if you're from out of state, expect frizzy hair, or bring extra conditioner, leave-in conditioner, because the humidity will poof your hair out and you'll look like you're from the 70s with poofy, or 60s. Why do they have those really poofy hairs? What is that movie? Bubblegum? Yeah, Bubblegum. Poofy hair. It is September 30th. Where's my makeup bag? That means it is Lovepeople Day. Lifeline Church in Chicago, they made this a special day, September 30th, in 2017, I believe. But it's all about how to love someone with all your heart, unconditionally, and it sheds light on that. It inspires people to read poetry and just focus, I guess, awareness maybe, on loving other people. Maybe even different ways of loving other people. Loving your neighbors, loving your friends, how to love your enemies. I think that's an excellent idea. I'm not doing every step. Obviously, you have to skip steps. This is just my foundation I have no primer, although I only just learned about primer anyways. So I already put lotion on because I cannot function without lotion. So that's the first thing I throw on my face in the morning when I get out of the shower. I throw it on, I brush my teeth. Those are the 2 steps I cannot miss. If I skip my shower, I still put lotion on my face and brush my teeth. I mean, you cannot skip those steps. Anyways, foundation. And yes, I use my knee to steer just a tad, not the whole time, just when I'm gliding. And then you kind of feel it around like it's lotion. Let's see. This is perfect because I have the camera faced around to me so I can actually see what I'm doing. Uh-oh. Somebody's in trouble. Yeah, you just do this. I'm almost done too. It really does not take very much time. I almost lost my cap. I'm stopped, so thank goodness. And right now is like the perfect time to do eyeliner while I'm stopped. But I'm not gonna have time. I bet you I'm gonna have to go beforehand. It's the only time where when you're running late, you're hoping that you can stay stopped for a second longer. Just one more second. Give me one more second. I almost have it on, and then we can have green lights all the way through. Okay, real quick. No. Oh, it's flat. I didn't even realize that. I picked a flat one. Well, it just goes with the flow, you know. It doesn't look too much like a hot mess. As soon as the foundation came on, it's a lot better. In fact, I could probably just go with it like this. Let's see, what else is special about today? I know there was more. There was a lot more, actually. There was a ton of stuff. There was like cider melt. Of course, there's always a food or a drink that signifies today. And today we got up and it's 68 degrees outside. I don't think it's our first cold front because last week was our first cold front. These cold fronts start early for us. But it's the first one where I went outside and I wasn't cold, but I was like, that relief of the chilly weather and it's not prickling the skin yet. It was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I, of course, dressed my kids up in pants and long sleeve shirts. Even though it's probably just as cold as outside as it is inside. Makes no sense. So here's a little bit of this. Oh, and I don't wear mascara, guys. It messes up with my eyes. I don't know if it's allergies or just my contacts, but whenever I do it, I have to take my contacts out because it makes my eyes all red and itchy. My whole eye gets itchy. Not sure why. It's a weird phenomena. And remember this? This is a bronzing. It says coconut oil glow milk. It smells like varnish. There's no other way to say it. If anybody else has tried this stuff, it smells like varnish, but it is absolutely amazing. And there's cops everywhere. There must have been a crash. Not me though. It's not me. All right. And there, I'm done. Well, I could put makeup on. I mean, I could put lipstick on, but that's like a final step. I'll put some lip gloss on. There we go. All done. And I'm not even to work yet. They'll have no idea that I woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning with symphony music. Symphony music. I don't understand how she decides to put symphony music. Play symphony music. It makes no sense to me today. Well, I can't think of the rest. Oh, Alexa did say it was chewing gum day, but I don't chew gum. Although the dentist said it was good for you. If you get the stuff that's not as sticky, it's actually good for you, and supposedly it makes you think. So, there you go. But have a great Wednesday, guys. Don't be late like me. Get up on time, get to work, or whatever you do, and make the best out of it. Have a great one. See you next